This
And
happens when you
that's
have amazing friend like
non-negotiable.
Meme Genie. That's what happens. And I'm not buttering him up, but you know,
Is that
I have
actually
psychoanalyzed
is that
him.
you actually appreciating me?
Yeah, I am.
Ha!
I have psychoanalyzed you. Let me tell it. So I'll be very short and concise on that. So there are three kinds of realities, alright, for every human. First, it's the outside reality. That's like the outer world. We need to fight at it. Alright, we need to be best at it. This dude is killing there.
Wait,
Yeah, you are. You are the smartest kid in your. You were the smartest kid in the classroom. You had good friends. You were good at academics. You teach over some of the most complex subjects known to mankind. You teach that.
wait, you said basting it and beating it, so does that mean I'm good at punching?
Yeah. Second,
Ah, okay. Okay, got it. Now it all makes sense.
shut up.
Okay.
Now the second. After fighting with the world, you come to your house, your home, your close friends, your close one, your family, right? And you cannot. The same rules do not apply. And this motherfucker knows it very correctly. Where to make the boundary.
Wait, me?
Yeah, you do. You do. I have seen
Me?
that. Yes, I have seen that. I have seen that. Yes, the definition
Okay.
of love here is defined. Like the love here is defined with the loss, and you do sacrifice in small terms and huge terms, and that's why you also win. And you cannot run away from your second reality. It's very very tough to run away from your second reality. Come on, it's your home. Where are you gonna run from it? And the third reality, which like people get the first reality going, second reality, yeah, half of the people do. There are very, very less number of people who is acing at the third reality. That is like yourself, your inner world. You need
Bro,
to
I don't even know what the third reality is. I didn't even know this
yourself.
reality
Yeah, this
existed.
is just a philosophical concept. I don't know what to term it as, but it is just to understand, make people understand. Right. The outer world, your family,
Okay.
the inner one, the close one, and the third one is yourself. Not everyone likes themselves, and that is the our generation's problem.
I never said I like myself either.
Yeah, but you
I
still
never
play
said
games
I
with
like me.
yourself. You still have fun. Why are people on our Discord call when he goes? The whole, the charm is away. Everyone is calling you. Please bring him back. Please bring him back. All right. There's a reason. And I'm not saying that you love yourself or you hate yourself or whatever, that you're perfect, but yeah, he does play little games with himself, keep himself entertained, and that's why he's kind of self-actualized. I won't say the fully.
That just sounds weird.
That's
He
true.
plays games with himself to keep him entertained.
That's a little bit. That is true. People are so goddamn boring. See, at any 28-year-old, he goes to a job, he earns, he comes back, spends time with his family, his
Bro,
wife.
are you comparing me to a 28?
I'm
Bro,
just
how
comparing
much
you to a
think I am?
millennial. I'm just comparing you to an average millennial person.
Okay.
Right.
Weird, but go on.
Right. People try to develop
Okay.
hobbies, but they are just to show other people. And you know your shit. That's why you're able to know other people's shit too. This is so crude, this is so common, but this is about common sense, but not everyone gets it. That's the thing.
Bro, you know what? 5 minutes before this, I didn't even know there were three realities like that existed. But you know what? I'm getting appreciated. I'm getting all that. So yeah, I'll take that. I'll happily take that.
That's just a philosophical. You see, I
That was random. That was random.
that
That
indeed was
I okay, yeah, we did not plan for that, by the way. I wasn't expecting that, but okay, I'll still take that. I'll
good.
still take
Good
it.
for you. Good for you.
So wait, so this is what you wanted to say. Oh wait, I shouldn't have stopped you then. Yeah. So
Now you don't
yeah, like I was
hate me. Right. Now you want to keep me
yeah,
around in this podcast.
not as much as I used to 5 minutes ago, but yeah, I still hate you. But yeah, talking about